So hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and those who are new to this channel, kindly make sure that you subscribe to this channel. So as you know that I have been following this 5 days of the AI agents course completely, from the Capstone projects to the labs to the white paper. I have covered it all into the playlist, and you can find this playlist on my channel, and here you will find all the videos related to that. So as you know that the deadline of the Capstone project is approaching, and you need to submit your Capstone project in order to secure your badge and a certificate from Kaggle of the course. So it's very important that you submit your Capstone project. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to you write your write-up, and will be sharing my personal techniques which I use to write my write-up really well. So for the write-up, you have to go to this AI agents page and click on the write-up. And if you have already made the write-up, just click on that. And if you have not made the write-up yet, just click on the new write-up option, okay? And you will be entered into a page like this. So as I've already made a write-up before, and so I would just click on this edit option. Okay, now clicking on this edit option, the write-up is ready to be written. So I'll just write the name of my project, which is a chef AI, in the title page. Now for the thumbnail, I have already made an image, so I will be using that. I'm using for now a dummy image. Okay, so you can generate your image through chat gpt or any AI model and choose the image of your choice, and make sure that your image is of the minimum resolution, which is 560 into 280. So I would just select the area which I want to display as a cover image of my thumbnail. So let's only select this much. Okay, it's looking quite good. Now click on save. Okay, and a thumbnail would be saved. Now it's time to select the track. So I have made my agent in the concert track, so I would be selecting that track. And yeah, make sure that you attach the photos and the videos of the project that you have made, because they have made it into the checklist. If you will not do it, your checklist would not be completed and you cannot submit your project. Okay, now for the write up section, what I do personally is I would just go to my GitHub where I have pushed the project, and then I would just open the ask Gemini option and give it a prompt that write a write up for me in 2500 words for the project. Okay, so make sure that your screen of this GitHub is project folder is shared, so that it can see to your project and write a good write up. Okay, so I've given it a prompt that write a write up for this project in 2500 words that I can submit in the competition. So it will give you the whole write up written ready made, and one thing you can notice is that it has given the write up in the exact format which was mentioned in the Kaggle. You can also enhance your prompt by giving it the format that in which you want your write up to be written. Okay, so basically it has given us the write up with the conclusion, abstract, and everything covered. So I'll just copy this and control V here, and now I will just remove the extra content of the write-up. Okay, so this is my write-up which was written by the Gemini in 2500 words exactly, and in the same format which was given in the Kaggle competition. By the way, you can also enhance your prompt and give it a very detailed prompt on how you want the structure of your write-up to be written, and it would write the write-up for a project in the same format which you will give. Like you can mention the headings and the subheadings also which you want in your write-up. Now I'll just go to my this chef AI project folder on the GitHub, and I will just copy the link of this project. Okay, so I'll just copy the link of this project from here, then go to my Kaggle page again, and I'll just paste the link of my project here, and the title would automatically be written. You can also modify the title according to your choice, and I'm just giving it a name as chef AI. The description is optional, so I'll just skip it for now and click on save. Now as you can see that I've pasted the link of my project, written the write up, written the title, but there's another thing which has to be done. That is to attach the photo and the video of the project, basically the demo of the project. Now here, clicking on this add photos and videos, you can attach the link of your YouTube URL where you have pasted. And if you don't want your video to be public, just post it to your YouTube channel as unlisted. In this way, only the person who have the link of your video can access your video, and your video will not be shown publicly. Okay, so I think you can do this. So you have to basically make the video of the working demo of your project, in which you would be showing the functionalities of your project, each and every tab, explaining it and why is your project so important, the problem statement of your project, the solution of your project. You have to explain that. And for the script, you can take help of any AI, either the chat GPT or the Gemini. So as you can see that I have completed all the requirement, except the fact it also need the subtitle. So let's add a subtitle to it. I will click on this ask Gemini option, give it a prompt that give me a subtitle for this project, and it will just scan through all the write up and give me the most appropriate subtitle for this project. See, it has given us so many subtitles. So I'll just copy this first one and paste it here. And if you can see that still the submit option is not coming here, because I have not attached the images and the videos. Once you attach the images and the videos of your project, your submit option will be appeared. So for now I'm not doing that. When you will do that, your submit option will be appearing here. So I'll just saving this as draft. So before wrapping up, let me give you the overview of the project that I have built for my AI agents intensive vibe coding course with Google and Kaggle. So this is my capstone project in which I have included many functionalities such as the allergy safe, the common substitutes which you can use. Basically the whole idea is that you have some ingredients, that is, a user has some ingredients, some random ingredients, really random ingredients. You just input your ingredients which you have in this chef AI and tell it about the allergies which you have, the type of food which you want, either you want a traditional food, the fusion food, or the vegetarian or the non-vegetarian. And you also have the option of giving it the input of the utensils that you have, and accordingly it will give you a recipe along with the storage options, nutritional contents, and many more things. And with this, I would like to wrap up today's video, and I hope you guys liked the video as much as I did. And if this video helped you in any sense, just like this video, subscribe my channel, and do not forget to hype my video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.